AliExpress, your gateway to global shopping. AliExpress is a huge online marketplace. It connects buyers in Bangladesh with sellers all over the world. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. There are clothes, electronics, home goods, and much more. Millions of people use AliExpress every day. It's known for its low prices and wide selection. Shopping on AliExpress opens up a world of possibilities. You can discover unique items. You can find great deals. AliExpress makes it easy to shop globally from the comfort of your home. Cash on delivery, or COD, is a popular payment option in Bangladesh. It lets you pay for your order when it arrives at your doorstep. This eliminates the need for online payments. COD gives you peace of mind. You can be sure that you only pay for what you receive. COD is especially beneficial for first-time online shoppers. It builds trust and confidence in the online shopping experience. With COD, you can shop without worrying about payment security. Ordering from AliExpress with COD is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, create an account. Go to the AliExpress website or download the app. Sign up for a free account using your email address. Next, browse and select products. Use the search bar or browse categories to find what you need. Check product details, seller ratings, and customer reviews before adding items to your cart. Then proceed to checkout. Once you're happy with your selections, go to your cart and review your order. Enter your shipping address accurately. Choose cash on delivery as your payment method. This option is usually available at checkout. Double-check all details and confirm your order. You'll receive an order confirmation email with a tracking number. Use the provided tracking number to monitor your package's journey. AliExpress offers reliable shipping options to Bangladesh. Finally, once your package arrives, pay the delivery person in cash. Inspect your order before completing the payment. Section 4. AliExpress by the numbers, a global phenomenon. AliExpress boasts an impressive global presence. Here are some stats that highlight its popularity. Over 200 million active buyers worldwide. Products shipped to over 200 countries and regions. Available in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, and Russian. Top product categories include fashion, electronics, home and garden, and beauty and health. These numbers demonstrate the vast scale and reach of AliExpress. It's a testament to its affordability, product variety, and commitment to connecting buyers and sellers worldwide. Section 5. Tips for first-time AliExpress shoppers. Here are some tips for a smooth first-time buying experience on AliExpress. Check seller ratings. Look for sellers with high positive ratings and good customer feedback. This indicates their reliability and product quality. Read product descriptions carefully. Pay attention to details like size, color, material, and shipping time. If anything is unclear, contact the seller for clarification. Utilize buyer protection. AliExpress offers buyer protection policies that safeguard your purchases. Familiarize yourself with these policies for added peace of mind. Track your order regularly. Stay updated on your package's whereabouts using the provided tracking number. This helps you anticipate its arrival and plan accordingly. By following these tips, you can enhance your shopping experience and make informed purchasing decisions on AliExpress.